Hi guys, Kinga here. Welcome to my channel. I have decided to try again to start recording short videos talking about some new features or like little hidden features or features that people um, that are setting this up themselves and don't have that much experience, don't know how to get, don't know where to look or aren't even aware of them. So today I would like to talk about the preference pages and the importance of the preference pages. So first of all, I would like to start by saying that there are two ways to get to preference pages. I would say one is for campaigns and one is more for email automations. The page that I have open right now is for campaigns when you're sending out the email, and then in the footer, let's say you have either unsubscribe or change your preference. This is the page where you would get. And also when you're sending out an email campaign and you would like people to provide more information, this is where you would bring them from your email. So we have an example here where I ask people to enter their birthday, and then we're sending out this really fun birthday flow for everyone who provides their information. But we can add all kinds of other information here as well that help us segment people by their preferences. So as an example, I'm just gonna set up here one for email frequency. I guess I have this set up here, and then we do frequency, and then I wanna give them an option to receive emails daily, weekly, and monthly. So I am just going to enter here as daily, weekly, and then we're gonna add one more for monthly. And then I'm gonna save this, and this will populate right here on this page. So now I can send out an email campaign to everyone, asking them to update their email preferences, how often they want to get their emails, or I can ask them to enter their birthday. But this is for campaigns. However, when you have people subscribing to your page through a newsletter list, you will need to also repeat the same information through going through your list. So when you're sending out emails through your email automations, you also need to make sure that you go to lists and segments, subscribe and preference pages, and you update your preference page right here. This is the usual, like a regular subscribe page, and it needs to be, you need to start right here where you will add, let's say we're gonna add birthday, so we'll do birthday, and then birthday, and then let's just do this. Let's just do it like this, so uniform, and then was not required, so just save. And now we've added this field into our regular subscribe page. So whenever you are sending an email automation, and let's say in your welcome flow, you would like to, as an incentive, say, hey, you know, we're also giving out a birthday present, so why don't you subscribe? And then when it's your birthday, you're gonna get an email from us. So then in that email, you will direct them to this page. And this is a update preference page for your list, and this page will fire when they are coming through your email automations. So it's important to know that there are two different lists pages that needs to be updated, and one work with campaigns and another one with work with email automations. And once you update these two, then you can send out all kinds of like fun emails asking people either, you know, their gender, if you want to segment them by the gender, or like I said, birthday, email frequency, their interest, whatever you wish, you can add here and get more detailed segments on, you know, for your email campaigns and automations as well. I hope that helps. And so please, if you like this video, subscribe. I will do my best to create at least one video per week. And if there are any specific topics, join my Facebook group, and you can also request there, and I'll make sure I'll provide that sort of content. Thanks.